Hey, what's up everybody? It's Darren here from Notetime. Recently, Xiaomi released Redmi Y2 on June 7th and along with it, MIUI 10 was announced.
Is MIUI 10?
This version of MIUI comes with new features and is a complete redesign and I'm gonna tell you about it. So there will be 4 areas of major changes.
Speed, second is design, third is sound and AI portraits.
In the speed department, there has been a couple of changes like launch speed and animations.
So next, let's talk about design.
First of all, there is no navigation keys, but gestures, just like Android P. The recent menu has been changed to this card-like menu arranged vertically. Seems to be a really good user space. And Xiaomi has also redesigned the notification panel, removing all the color blocks and making it look more materialistic. And also, the weather and calendar app has been redone and it looks fresh and crisp.
Next, let's talk about sound.
MIUI 10 comes with some unique sounds. Receive notification with the sound of water droplets, and they mentioned that no two sounds are alike. Then they added sound of sand when you delete anything, and they added ambient sounds to the timer app. And next
Is AI portraits.
the feature all of you have been waiting for. The AI portrait helps to take portrait images with only one camera. The best part is that the feature will be supported to all MIUI phones running MIUI 10. Xiaomi also showed us a couple of things redesigned for India, like Mi Music, Mi Video, and Browser. The browser will now support progressive web apps for local services. This means you don't need to download any app like Flipkart, Ola, but you can rely on these web apps, which operate just like normal apps. And it will also save you some storage space. Now you can pay through Paytm just by scanning from the camera app, and it will automatically redirect you to the app. And the last one is an updated messaging app. Now if you get a message from say a bank, you can visit their official site or the app, or even you can find the nearest ATM with a single tap. And this feature currently supports over 100 services. MIUI 10 beta ROM will be released in a week or so I'll make a video on it as soon as I get my hands on it. If you don't want to miss it, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified.